Hello everyone. Today we have this word problem. Two people start jogging at the same point and time but in opposite directions. If the rate of one jogger is 2 miles per hour faster than the other and after 3 hours they are 30 miles apart, what is the rate of the faster jogger? So options are given: option A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6 and E 7. So what is the correct option and correct answer? So first of all, you will have to understand the question, that is what is given. So according to question, in the question it is said that there are two joggers and they start from the same point. This is the point from where they starts and they run in the opposite direction. So let's say there are two joggers, one is slower and one is faster. So the rate of slower, let's say, is r, and the rate of faster is r plus 2, because it is given in the question, that is, if the rate of one jogger is 2 miles per hour faster than the other, so the faster jogger is running at the rate of r plus 2. So what is the rate of the faster jogger? So we have to determine the rate of this faster jogger, and it is also given in the question, after 3 hours they are 30 mile apart. So let's start the solution of this question. So let r be the rate of slower jogger, as I told, and then the faster jogger will be r plus 2. Say, since jogging duration is equal to 3 hours, it is given in the question, and they are 30 miles apart after 3 hours. That is also given in the question. And now we will use formula r equal to s divided by t. So r is rate, s is distance, and t is time. This is basically velocity or speed formula, which is equal to v equal to s divided by t. So this is basically the velocity or speed of the joggers. So here from this formula we can get that s equal to rt, because we will multiply this t with this r. So it's equal to rt. This is our formula. And now, since they are 30 miles apart, so it means that slower plus faster jogger equal to 30 miles apart. And now, what is the rate of slower jogger? The rate of slower jogger, that is the distance basically, not the rate, but the distance. Distance of slower jogger is RT, and faster is R plus 2T. So now, these two distance when plus is equal to 30 after 3 hours. So now we will put value of t over here, because t is time and time is given 3 hours. So we will put t equal to 3. So this will become 3r, and here r plus 2 and t is 3. So this will become 3r plus 6. So overall this will become 3r plus 6, which is equal to 30. And now 3r plus 3r will become 6r, and we will send this 6 on other side of the equation, so it will become 30 minus 6. So 6r equal to 30 minus 6 equal to 24. So now we will divide 6 on both sides, so r equal to 4. So this is the rate we have determined. Now rate of slower jogger, that is r equal to 4, and rate of faster jogger r plus 2 equal to 6 miles per hour. Basically, this was our required, which was given in the question. So our requirement is to determine the rate of faster jogger. So the rate of faster jogger is 6 miles per hour. Now, we will come back to our question. This was our question, and it was asked, what is the rate of faster jogger? So in these option D is the correct answer. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understood the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.